Hello everyone, welcome to the UltFone channel. If your iPad is stuck in a boot loop, the touchscreen is unresponsive, and you cannot resolve it, don't worry, this video will help you easily solve the problem. Let's get started. Common causes of being stuck in a boot loop include 1. iOS system issues, 2. Hardware failure, 3. Software conflicts, 4. Insufficient storage space. After identifying the problem, let's solve it. Method 1. Hard restart iPad. For this, we will take the following steps. First, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold down the power button until the Apple logo appears. This will restart the iPad. This simple method may solve your problem. If the forced restart fails, it could mean there is a deeper issue with the system. Don't worry, we will proceed to the next method. Method 2. Using Apple devices to repair. For system issues, we can use a computer to perform the repair. First, connect the iPad to the computer, press and release the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the iPad enters recovery mode. Next, you need to open your Apple device, or you can open Finder or iTunes. Then it will prompt you to choose Restore or Update. If you do not want to upgrade the system, it is recommended to choose Restore and wait for the repair process. However, please note that both options will erase iPad data and may be slow, with a risk of errors, so use this method with caution. Method 3. Using UltFone iOS system repair. This is a professional iOS repair tool that is easy to use and will not result in data loss. It can fix over 150 types of iOS system issues and offers one-click backup and restore functions to protect your data. I have included the download link in the description. The steps are as follows. First, connect your iPad to the computer. Then quickly press and release the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and finally hold down the power button until the iPad enters recovery mode. Next, open UltFone, click Start Repair, select Standard Repair, then click Download to get the iOS firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. The process takes about 10 minutes. After it is finished, your iPad will automatically restart and return to normal without losing any data. Now your iPad can be used normally. That's it. I hope these methods can help you solve the iPad issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. I would really appreciate it. See you in the next video.